our motto here is safety, fun, learning. That's going to be top and shoot. Dang it, I can't do it. I didn't know what I was going to say.
3, 2,
and we can't wait to
You weren't supposed to.
1.
Our motto is safety, fun. Dang it, I can't. And this summer especially, the fun will be following the safety.
We
And
can't wait to see you.
Hi everybody, welcome to Hoover Sailing Club. My name is Jamie Jones. I'm the program director here. This is my 37th year as program director at Hoover Sailing Club. And we're going to walk you through what it's like to show up and bring your kids to sailing camp. This is the entrance to our clubhouse. When you, sorry. We're just going to get greeted by a couple of our other instructors here.
Hi, welcome to staff camp. What's your name?
Let's start that one over.
Savannah. Oh, you're in bin number 4. Up there is some hand washing stations.
I'm going to let her know what to do next.
Camp. What's your name? Savannah. Ah, perfect. How's it going? How are you?
My name's Cam. I've been sailing since I was about 8 years old. I was a camper here at one point, but I'm finally an instructor. This is my...
I've been sailing for 9 years, and this is my 4th year teaching. And I've got...
Cut!
Hi, my name's Savannah Shaw. Oh, I don't know.
2.
Wow, that's a nice pup. Hi, I'm Emma Friedauer.
Cut!
I sail lasers for the club, and this is my 2nd year instructing. This is my 3rd year instructing.
Wait, Emma, at the end you should be like, can't wait to...
Hi, my name is James Edward Tazinski the first, and I'm a junior senior. Okay.